Alright guys, very welcome all of you to the channel, and if you can remember the previous video that we talked about the Bitcoin, have a look at the chart over here. Exactly as we predicted, market just gone along through our lines over here. And as well, not only the Bitcoin, have a look at the NASDAQ over here. In the previous video we predicted that market will create a weak, slow market upward move to this area, and exactly as we drawn on here, NASDAQ goes up. Not only the NASDAQ, S&P 500 also we predicted that market would go up, and you can see the right now over here market, right? And as well, especially I mentioned, if NASDAQ and S&P 500 create this market upward move, then I mentioned Bitcoin will create this weak, slow market sideways move, not an uptrend. Just a market sideways move will create to the upside if NASDAQ goes up just like that. And exactly we predicted, you can see the market over here, this market upward move has been created and is still continue this market upward move. And well, let's get into the today chart and see how market goes on for the next couple of hours and the next couple of days, right? Well, when looking at the chart over here, we can see from here to here, this market downward move from here to here, right? I don't see much strong sellers, and as well, buyers also very weak when looking at the previous market sideways up move over here. Not much strong buyers, right? And as well sellers, which means buyers and sellers are very struggle over here, which means this market sideways market move, right? Well, let's check out the volume profile over here to get a clear understanding about the market volume over here. Yeah, the market is running in a very high volume area, which is buyers and sellers are very struggling in this line over here, that market over here, right? So currently we can see that this market sideways move will continue, and as well when looking at the NASDAQ over here, and buyers are kind of strong than the sellers, and this upward move, which means buyers are kind of strong currently, and the current market situation, these candles over here looks sellers are very struggle to make a down move, like a bearish move, which means we could be able to see more market upward move, even like after this sideways move, yeah, another market upward move this area. And this area over here in the past previous data also indicates that kind of a market volume, high volume area. When looking at the chart over here, yeah, you can see this area over here in the volume profile also indicates that kind of a strong area. So we could be able to see probably this market upward move around to this area that we marked over here, right? Like this market over here. And as well, when you looking at the S&P 500, and S&P 500 also the same as the NASDAQ, and these are the analysis that you have done in the previous analysis. So I'll put the link in the description so that you can watch and learn how we predicted the market, not only the S&P 500 and even the Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin also, these are the previous analysis that you have done in the previous videos. So I would recommend that just watch my previous analysis and videos so that you can learn and watch how we predicted and analyzed the market would go down from here to here, and from here to here market would go up just like that, so on, right? This is the previous video that I have done. This market downward move would happen. Now we can see the market is just gone down, right? This is the previous analysis, which is 12th of August, right? Now we can see this is by 26th of August, market just goes down, right? And in the current market situation over here, right, I mentioned that there's no strong buyers or sellers, and sellers also over here, from when looking at the chart from here to here, there's not much strong volume of sellers, right? So we could be able to see this market weak upward move couple more time, just like that one, right? And as well, there's one more thing I need to point out over here. There's a strong news coming up by today, which is PCE index, and as well speak of Powell. So because of these news, if US dollar got strong, then Bitcoin market will go down. If US dollar got weak, then we'll create another strong up move to this area because of that news. But currently, when looking at the price action over here, the behavior of buyers and sellers, we can see this weak, slow market sideways move to the upside, but very slowly. And as well, if buyers manage to reach to this area over here, kind of a mini resistance area of this weak upward move, if buyers reach to this area, then we could be able to see weak sideways up move to this strong key resistance level of here, right? 22,400 area, right? And after that, sellers will manage to create some more weak upward move around this area. Then will sellers start this strong down move just like that. But yet currently there's no strong volume for sellers to make a strong bearish move. And one more key movement I need to point out over here, right? The news that yet to be released today, if dollar get very strong, that tend to make another Bitcoin bear market to this area, right? It straight go down because of the news. But when looking at the price action over here, the market, the behavior of buyers and sellers, there's no strong volume. If sellers get strong from here with like straight down move, that because of the news, right? Otherwise, the market will create weak upward move. And as well, same as the NASDAQ and S&P 500, let's have a look at the Dow Jones over here. Dow Jones also indicates us that still buyers are kind of strong than the sellers. Sellers try to break the line over here but fail, comes up with a strong move, same as the sellers, which means sellers are very weak right now of Dow Jones, right? So, and as well, this market consolidation over here also indicates that there is no much strong volume of sellers. So market will create another upward move to this area on US 32. So those who are new to this channel and the video, you might be wondering that why I'm talking about S&P 500, NASDAQ and Dow Jones indexes over here, right? The reason is S&P 500, NASDAQ and Dow Jones has very positive correlation with Bitcoins and cryptocurrency market. So when S&P 500 and NASDAQ goes up, that means cryptocurrency market is also going up. So that's why I'm talking about this stuff too. So currently the final analysis of this market weak up move could happen, right? And as well, let's have a look at the currency strength meter over here. When looking at the currency strength meter, look at the chart over here. This thing happened over and over again in the previous analysis too. Bitcoin also is strong, and as well USD also is strong. Why? What is the reason? This is something unusual. Normally the thing is when USD dollar get strong, Bitcoin also has to get weak. But this thing in the same side means something unusual thing is going to happen. So I'm expecting another weak down move could be happen because Ethereum also in the very weak side. So Bitcoin also create another weak down move, at least for a short period of time, right? Like, so when we switch into 15 minutes time frame over here, you can see kind of a weak down move started by trying to break this line over here, right? This line over here, they try to break this line. Now the market is running below this line over here. So if sellers got strong with another strong candle, yeah, we could be able to see weak down move, but that's very temporary one, right? The temporary one, my main analysis is this sideways market up move to this area. But so that's what I can see in the current market situation. Let's see what's going to happen. Just do subscribe to the channel, guys, if you find these videos are useful. I'll see you again with another Bitcoin analysis.